Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and powerful trick on Binance. How to convert tiny leftover crypto amounts, also known as dust, into BNB. If you have ever wondered what to do with those small amounts sitting in your wallet, this video is for you. So what is a crypto dust? After trading crypto, you might be left with small unusable balances in different coins, like maybe 0.1 US dollar in Solana or 0.1 USD in ADA, depending on the coin you swapped. These are called dust. They are too small to trade or withdraw, but still show up in your wallet. So Binance has a feature that lets you convert them into BNB, which is useful because BNB is used for trading fee discounts and other things on Binance. So where do you find this feature? Here is how to find a small amount conversion tool. Open your Binance app. So I'll proceed to open my Binance app. Then once it opens, click on Assets. Then you click on, once it opens, click on Spot. Once the spot opens, you will see small amount exchange here. Small amount exchange. So you touch it. Once you touch it, then you will see a list of eligible tiny balances. So you can see mine. I have tiny tokens here that I can actually convert. I have ADA, I have BTC, I have FET, I have Manta, I have OGN, I have Pixel, I have USDC, and I have XLM. So to convert these, all I need to do is to select coins you want to convert. Just tap them. If you want to, you can tap them manually like this, or you just click on select all. Once you click on select all, you will see the amount of BNB you will receive. So you see, they said if I convert these 8 tokens here, I'll be receiving 0.0120 BNB. So you click on convert, then you click confirm, and you are done. So I want you to note this. So Binance lets you do this once every 6 hours so you don't spam it. So, and that is it guys. Now you know how to turn dust into something useful. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more crypto tips,